All right, really quick addendum. Sorry, guys. I'm just really trying to get to the bottom of this, Josh. I'm really trying to get to the bottom of this because I know that you're about to send another drum track that's been overhead mic'd, and it's going to have more trebles, it's going to have more high end. And I'm really concerned about what this mid-side processing is doing to those trebles, cymbals, hi-hats. This is what occurred to me going back and listening to what I just did with Voxengo Overtone GEQ. It's not linear phase. So then I remembered, well, I have this right here. I do have ozone, Izotope Ozone, and I remembered that this on the digital setting is linear phase. And it also has mid-side capabilities. So here's my mid EQ curve, and here's my side. And I set that according to not only my ear, but according to what looked good on the spectrum analyzer to sort of balance things out. I think I know what the answer is going to be on this, but just thought I would throw this addendum out to see if I could get your 2 cents, or, more than 2 cents actually. So, right. Just so you can see visually. Also, Josh, okay. I put this thing into right here. Hyper soft saturation. I put that into the drum track, which is now down to -3 because of this thing here. I'm not going to explain it right now, but you might be able to hear what it's doing. So, this is what it looks like. You saw what Voxengo looks like. Here's what this looks like. I'll quickly A-B it, and then I'm going to play the same section of the song. One and then the other, and then I'll A-B them and be done with this. Okay, so here you see that Overtone GEQ is bypassed, and we're on ozone, the ozone EQ. And this is right where the drums come in. So all right, now I'm kicking in ozone. Now listen to that hi-hat. Ozone off. Listen to the cymbals. Listen to the brass. Off. Overtone GEQ. Excuse me. Let's listen to this section right here. And this is going into the bridge and the final chorus and outro. Just keep an eye over here. I'm not going to have them. It's having this bouncing light show. These meters is taxing my CPU. Just a bridge too far. So I'm just going to be cycling between these two. All right? So that's Ozone on. That's Overtone GEQ on. I'm thinking that I hear kind of phasing distortion in the cymbals with the Overtone GEQ, and it's much better with Izotope Ozone, which is again linear phase. But I just want to, I'd like a second, third, maybe fourth opinion. I was in the same section with Ozone. Hell, just that crash right there. Again, Ozone. That crash sounds better to me, man, with Ozone. Okay, I'm just going to play through this section and switch them both on and off, A-B them. Final crash. Right there. Okay. Overtone GEQ and Ozone. Are they different? Is it all in my mind? Okay, I think that Izotope Ozone wins. Okay? But I'm throwing it out there in case you have a few extra minutes. I hate asking for your time. I know my shit is too long, but this is kind of important to me. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to mix this down, listen to these two in the car, and think on it some more. Over and out.